Hello everybody, I'm Sudhindra Holla from Access Communications. On behalf of Access Communications and all our ecosystem partners, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you to Agra and to this third edition of iConnect 2017. So I hope you're enjoying your journey. It's a long ride and it's a nice ride as well, and Agra is a good destination, having one of the wonders of the world, and look forward to going there as well. So what can you expect in iConnect? iConnect, from my perspective, this the third edition, which brings in customers who have various needs, from access control to video surveillance and how it's actually done. And it brings in all the ecosystem partners who provide the solution to the customers. So you can expect a lot of technology talking. You can expect a lot of technology showcase from the camera and the access control. You can integrate into all the backend systems, which includes the cabling, the wireless infrastructure, the network infrastructure, the storage, the video management software, and how the analytics can really act on it. So from the camera and the access control into the entire backend in terms of how it integrates, how it can solve your specific business needs, how it can solve your specific challenges, is what I think you can expect there. So personally, from my perspective, I look forward to meeting all of you over there, having a very good conversation. For me, iConnect is which is the camera, which actually connects and solves your business problem. For me, iConnect is also the humans over there involved, looking eye to eye and having a candid conversation. And personally, connecting with various people there, having fun as we move forward. So, on behalf of Access Communications and our ecosystem partners, I would like to welcome all of you to Agra. I would like to welcome all of you to iConnect. Let's have a great time there. Thank you so much.
At Access, we have a vision that has inspired us to become the leading name in network video surveillance. It has driven us since the day we were founded in 1984 and continues to drive us each and every day to innovate, to experiment, and to overcome the challenges that stand in the way of progress. Back in 1996, our vision inspired us to develop the world's first network camera, initiating the shift from analog to digital surveillance. It inspired us to develop the first video encoder and to break new ground with technologies such as LightFinder, which enables cameras to capture full-color images in the lowest lighting conditions, and HD TV, which offers the sharpest images even at maximum zoom. Our vision has driven us to create the most innovative and extensive range of intelligent surveillance cameras and security solutions on the market today. It underpins our entrepreneurial culture and the deep-rooted passion for innovation that impels every Access employee to be open-minded, to push boundaries, to think big, and never say it can't be done. It drives us to increase our presence across the globe and expand into both emerging and new markets. It drives us to seek out and work with leading experts, combining their knowledge with ours to create new and unique solutions that precisely meet the needs of our customers. It drives the long-term relationships we have with our network of partners and has shaped our beliefs, from the wisdom of developing easy-to-use technology on an open platform to the duties companies have to minimize their environmental impact and to take a stance on issues such as green surveillance and human rights. So, what is it that inspires us each and every day? It's enabling businesses and people to create a smarter, safer world. And together, step by step, we're making it happen.
Hi, this is Amit Sarkar, Country Manager for Milestone Systems India. Welcome to iConnect 2017. This is the third time we are having this show. The show is specially focused into end customers and consultant. iConnect, the name, integrated security solution from myth to reality. This is what we are going to show in this 3 days. Milestone as a company, we focus more into technology and hybrid solution to the customers. We have proven technology and have many customer reference in different verticals. What new we are going to show it in iConnect 2017. We have R3 release of 2017 where we will be showing product roadmap, smart client integration, community-based solutions, and we will also show hardware accelerations in recording servers. We will also show audio-enabled mobile as well as smart client access.
Hello everyone, I'm Sandesh Kaup, Country Manager for Allied Telesis in India, based out of Bangalore. For nearly 30 years, Allied Telesis has been delivering reliable, intelligent connectivity for everything from enterprise organization to complex critical infrastructure projects around the globe. Allied Telesis is recognized for innovating the way that services and applications are delivered and managed, resulting in increased value and lower operating costs. In a world moving towards smart cities and the Internet of Things, network must evolve rapidly to meet new challenges. Our smart technologies ensure that network evolution can keep pace and deliver efficient and secure solutions for people, organizations and things both now and into the future. iConnect is a symposium was formed to bring about understanding of solution which multiple products from different OEMs stitched together. Most of the projects failed due to integration issues. iConnect is a platform to showcase integration and the complexity involved. A warm welcome to all our guests. I'm really looking forward to meet you in Agra. Thank you.
No matter who you are, no matter what type of information you need to move, whether you're located next door or across the globe, we supply the solutions that future-proof your network. We expand your service possibilities from the network's edge to the home, from the core to the desktop with unprecedented flexibility. We're Allied Telesis, and we're connecting the IP world. From Salt Lake City to Singapore, from Juneau to Japan, across the globe, Allied Telesis stands as the sole company that can fully equip an entire Ethernet-based 100% IP network. We supply reliable, standards-based technology at every control point.
With global manufacturing and worldwide distribution, we're bringing people and information together all over the world. Companies are turning to Allied Telesis to help deploy some of the most innovative DSL and fiber-to-the-home networks in the world, delivering triple play, voice, video, and data services to their customers.
SureWest Communications has one of the largest fiber optic deployments in North America today. Allied Telesis has been a critical partner in helping us deploy that network by the reliable and on-time delivery of product at the right price. Allied Telesis is always there when we need them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
With over 20 years of proven experience, we've become a recognized leader in secure IP networking access solutions, solutions that grow as your company grows. We're building Ethernet IP end-to-end access solution sets that work seamlessly with your network infrastructure. We're more than a vendor, we're a partner.
This relationship we look at differently than other vendor relationships. All vendor relationships are important, but we needed a partnership. Our conversion to a fiber to the premise network will span more than 10 years, and we needed a company that was here for our needs now and we're positioned to meet our needs in the future. And we believe that Allied Telesis 100% IP network is that solution. The future of Skyline is broadband. We understand that, and so that drives our decision to move to a fiber to the premise network. We cannot compete against the cable companies or the wireless companies unless we have a very robust network. Skyline distinguishes itself on customer service, and we expect no less from a vendor, and Allied Telesis has lived up to those standards.
Allied Telesis has proven to be a very reputable, a very dependable, and a very forward-thinking organization. One that I can highly recommend to any telco, large or small, to build a future platform.
Based on carrier-class standards, our 100% IP triple play architecture provides award-winning solutions and innovative opportunities for all Allied Telesis customers. Utilizing solutions supplied by Allied Telesis, visionary cities across the country are collectively networking their hospitals, universities, and city services at unbelievable speeds.
Allied Telesis solutions have been phenomenal for us. We recognize a very high 5 nines of uptime. We had great success with deployment of product. We've had great customer support for delivery and ordering of product. We've deployed things within this network that create redundancy and failover that only are dreamed of.
We deliver the complete package with single source convenience, competitive pricing, and total accountability. Allied Telesis technology opens the way for a new generation of innovative services. Services that combine interactive, high-capacity data with real-time voice and video to some of the most forward-thinking educational institutions in the country.
I would categorize our relationship with Allied Telesis as a mutually beneficial one. I believe that the expertise that Allied Telesis brings to the table has been invaluable, and at the same time, from the university's perspective, we've been able to provide an environment to implement a number of these technologies on an extremely large scale and do it very successfully.
From hospitals to hotels, from government agencies to universities, from small businesses to Fortune 500 companies, Allied Telesis is consistently committed to your success, providing exceptional solutions for all your networking needs. We define innovation for the digital age. Allied Telesis, connecting the IP world.
Hi, I am Hariom from Solus, one of the alliance partner of iConnect. iConnect is an event where all the end users from different verticals, they come and learn about the best practices into the security automation projects, majorly involving surveillance and access control solutions. iConnect is supported by 6 of my fellow OEMs who will be happy to host you at this event. My promise to you is that you will be learning about best practices about the security. The purpose of iConnect is to bring all these end users at one common place to interact and learn about the things what they have done into their projects, including the something mistakes what they have made during the projects. And we are trying to create a working model for you to of the latest products and components together, so which you can experience yourself. You can interact with the different OEMs and can learn about the various latest things and features available into their products. You can also ask questions very specific to your project and something you have been looking for. And so you have gotten subject matter experts, peers and users at one common place to interact about and to get answers for the question which has been bothering you for a long time. We at Solus are also excited to showcase you over the most innovative product is iSolus, which has gotten a different features of bringing different sub solutions like access control, time and attendance, visitor management, surveillance. It's in one common platform. You would be able to see all these systems live and working with all the components in place, along with the subject matter experts and the people there to interact all your queries and clarify the doubts whatever you have.
An aggrieved employee, a resentful security guard, or a conspiring visitor can disrupt your business operations, hence reputation, without giving you time to deal with it. Risk of such threats grows up by 80% when attackers are aware of being unidentified and unmonitored. Effective security management in a large multi-locations enterprise is a challenging task. Thousands of employees receive hundreds of visitors like vendors, contractors, and VIP customers daily. Security administrators need an efficient system where first-time enrollment is quicker and repeat access thereafter is smooth for valid people, while no unauthorized entry is allowed, so that productivity is maximized without compromising on security. iSolus is an integrated security platform that effectively manages a company's security operations, utilizes web browser interface with a built-in early warning mechanism that monitors operations non-stop, identifies a suspect story, and notifies you with precise information to respond. It generates intelligent and informed timely alerts for administrators on computer and on mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. This enables quicker and guided response system in emergency situations, making life easier for security administrators, secure for employees, and productive for the company. iSolus enrolls all employees and business visitors on a common database using their IDs and biometrics, then grants permissions to access areas based on their role with a workflow-based automated approval system. iSolus allows interactive user and device management over fully integrated management modules, including access control, visitor access, IP CCTV, contract workman, guard tour, photo display, perimeter fencing and fire alarm, attendance, canteen, and so on. Email, SMS, and mobile notifications are enabled on a centralized command and control center, having interactive dashboard and mobile app as extension. For a free assessment to plan iSolus for your facility, call us today at 080808 14500 or email sales@solus.co.in.
Good morning, delegates. My name is David Corson. I am the Group CFO and Commercial Director of Veracity, and I would like to add my welcome to all of you attending the iConnect Forum over the next few days. Veracity is a Scottish technology company specialising in IP transmission, IP video surveillance storage, and display products, and now software too. Our products are now sold in over 50 countries globally, and we are leader in IP transmission with the introduction of our HiWire. We also have a great technology product in video storage with our Cold Store. Following the acquisition of iComply at the end of 2016, we've also added a command and control software package a PSIM to others, to our hardware portfolio. Headquartered in Prestwick, Scotland, we have additional offices and subsidiaries in Edinburgh and Leeds in the UK, Dallas in the USA, Dubai in the UAE, and now New Delhi here in India. We also have staff located in several other countries who provide sales and support to our ever-expanding global customer base. We take pride in our products being truly innovative, making it easier for engineers on the ground, and substantially reducing the total cost of ownership for end users with our cold store storage solution. Cold Store achieves this through its patented mirror overlapping pair and sequential filing system. Also, Cold Store has won many awards for its green credentials, saving power, reducing the size of the UPS backup, extending the life of the hard drives, and providing security for the data and resilience that's never been matched by any other CCTV storage product. Cold Store also has in its ecosystem underground for the engineers and substantially reducing the total cost of ownership for the end user with our Cold Store storage product. Cold Store achieves this through its sequential filing system and mirror overlapping pair technology. Cold Store has also won many awards for its green credentials, saving power, reducing the UPS size required and extending the hard disk life by a factor of 10 plus. It also provides security and data and resilience that no other CCTV storage can match. With Trinity, it also provides a camera direct-to-storage capability without the need for an NVR. And with VTAS Pro from iComply, we have introduced a command and control platform to complete the system we have on offer. All at Veracity, hope you have a successful conference, acquire new knowledge of products and services that are now pushing the boundaries of our security industry. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Vivek Kumar, Country Manager, iComply India. I welcome you all on behalf of iConnect. We wish you all have a pleasant stay here and get to see a wonderful demonstration of technologies in an integrated environment. iComply is a platform where we converge multiple disparate security systems into one single window. We provide dashboards, situational awareness, reduced response time and operational efficiency to control room operators. iComply has been operational in more than 15 countries around the world, headquartered in UK and have a subsidiary set up in India. We run a subsidiary where we support customers not only from India but from Bangladesh, Nepal, Singapore, Indonesia, Sri Lanka. We are experts in the field of integration where we make multiple technologies work together. iConnect is an event where we bring multiple technology vendors and industry professionals for them to see all the security systems working in a live integrated manner. So it's a workshop where you actually get to see how all the systems work together and what are the advantages, what are the ROIs that you can achieve when you put all best of the breed systems under one roof. That's the whole concept of iComply. So the synergies match very well because we also bring multiple systems, be it from security or smart world or IoT, all under one umbrella and let them have a communication, overall situational awareness, which is going to be which makes the control room much more efficient. iComply has been operational for the last 5 years in India and overall it's been 15 years across the globe. And then I would like to wish you a fruitful event, a wonderful showcase of technology, and you get to hear the experts' views. Have a great time, guys.
In today's world, security is the utmost requirement, be it a high-profile government sites, corporate buildings, educational campuses, cities, critical national infrastructure, and so on. Irrespective of how much you spend on the expensive high-end security hardware and software systems, they are not complete if the whole system doesn't work in an integrated manner. Which means all the security subsystems should be able to communicate to each other and collate the information at one place, which in turn will help the security officials to take instant actions and control of the whole situation without any delay. Let us take an example of a city with following security systems in place. Number 1. CCTV systems deployed all over the city, primarily on the major junctions, crowded markets, to record the video footage for future retrieval as a part of incident investigation. Number 2. Fire Control Room, where all the fire-related alerts are received and the resources are dispatched for controlling the fire. Number 3. Dial 100 Control Room, generally used by police officials to capture general public complaints of any kind, be it theft, accident, terror, natural disaster, etc. Number 4. Automatic number plate recognition systems, generally used to detect and compare on road vehicles' number plates with wanted data and raise alerts. Number 5. Face recognition system, generally used at entry-exit points of hotels, airports, train stations, and other important areas to detect and identify wanted people or criminals. All of such individual systems are key to police workforce or security officials, as these enable them to capture a mixed information for different locations and sources. But is that sufficient? Having such systems deployed and working in isolated manner serving the purpose? The answer is no. The problems we generally face even after so many systems in place are: delay in response action by security officials, no collaborative information analysis, incomplete picture of an incident, maybe video feeds stored in CCTV or a manual call by someone on dial 100, non-optimum utilization of security resources. Let us take some scenarios to visualize all of above. Case 1. Theft in shop. Once there is a theft, the shop owner reports it on dial 100. The dial 100 control room officials tries to track incident's actual location by asking the caller manually. Then a PCR van is informed, which belongs to that particular area. By the time police reaches the location, the thief would have left the area. As a post-incident analysis, police talks to a few people in or around the incident area and then go back to CCTV control room to retrieve the CCTV footage in order to investigate what might have happened. But all of this is giving the thief enough time to run away. Now, we will look at the above cases if the city had control room with integrated security systems in place. Case 1. Theft. Once the theft gets reported to dial 100 control room, caller location and the information gets passed to central system instantly, automatically, where operators can turn on the nearest available CCTV cameras and keep a real-time eye on the surrounding areas, on the map, with the help of GPS, and dispatch the same to incident location. While the PCR is going to incident location, operators are still viewing the CCTV footage of affected areas and are constantly tracking the van movements on the map. Can also guide the PCR with the shortest and traffic-free route from the central control room. This will help mobile workforce reaching the destination faster. The mobile police will also have an option of viewing the live CCTV camera footages in their van on a mounted PC or laptop or on mobile tablets, 3G, 4G enabled. So, constant communication between control room operators, tracking of police van on map and real-time view of CCTV feeds of incident will work as an efficient and effective way to respond to such emergencies. Case 2. Wanted vehicle detected. If a wanted vehicle is detected on the road by mobile police van, Then they pass on that information manually to traffic police of other areas in order to track the vehicle movement. All of this process can be time consuming and there are high chances of wanted vehicle running away. Now, we will look at above cases if the city had control room with integrated security systems in place. Case 2. Wanted vehicle found. Once the vehicle is found by the locally deployed system, it will pass that information to central system with the GPS location plotted on the map along with the directions of the vehicle. Instantly, other relative cameras can be viewed in the control room to track that vehicle. In case it is detected in any other locality by another ANPR system, then it also gets marked on the map. Similarly, a trail gets created, which will give an approximate idea of where the wanted vehicle is heading to. So, a collaborative and real-time information exchange from multiple systems can help tracking the vehicle and possibly stopping him as well. Case 3. Natural disaster or terror attack. In case of natural disaster, earthquake or terror attack, there is an immediate requirement of nearest available medical help or first aid. Alongside, police also need to be informed on immediate basis to take instant response actions like blocking roads, restrict access for general public in the affected areas. In the absence of an integrated security system, the information exchange will take time and the natural disaster or terror attack impact can be more substantial. Now, we will look at the above cases if the city had control room with integrated security systems in place. Case 3. Terror attack or natural disaster. In such cases, central control room system can automatically identify the nearest available first aid service and operators can inform them accordingly. Operators will automatically be shown a list of actions to be taken, which is called Standard Operational Procedures, SOPs. A set of relevant people can automatically be noted by SMS, email, radio handsets, etc. Central control room can immediately alert other important areas of such attacks as a preventive measures. So, we have seen how an integrated command and control system can achieve below: quick response, proactive action, situational awareness, collaborative information analysis, post-incident analysis and reporting, optimum utilization of security resources. For more information on enterprise-level integrated command and control solutions, please contact www.i-comply.co.uk